Inferius is a horror game, kind of a mix between, if you've heard of the game Inscription or Amnesia, it's kind of a combined mix of that. You are going through levels of hell, kind of inspired by Dante's Inferno, and your goal is to traverse the land, complete puzzles, don't get caught, and battle against really creepy creatures and monsters to hopefully make your way out.
How big's your team?
It's about 19 people. There's about 3 people that are employed full-time, and they're the co-founders and creators of the studio, and then all the rest of us mainly based here in Edmonton or Canada, and we're all contract-based. We use Unreal Engine 5. They can wishlist our game on Steam. We're completely available to wishlist. We have a Discord server you can join. We have an Instagram page that we like to update. Yeah, come chat with us.
What a cold demise, Pilgrim. The Inferno bids it so. But you're unchained. Your soul is branded Inferius, a chance at redemption. The Infernal Pilgrimage. Take the Void's gambler. Earn the souls that shall fuel our escape. I failed my own chance, but yours I won't squander. Take my light, Pilgrim. The path is dark. What a cold demise, Pilgrim. The Inferno bids it so. 9 dominions vast in despair, where sinners' souls are bound to eternal punishment, ruled by 9 beings sired from sin. You pilgrims, though, you evade those bindings. Your soul is branded Inferius, a chance at redemption. To face the sins incarnate is your trial, where the battle for your soul lies in the cards. But to prove you're an opponent of worth, you must brave each ruler's dominion and the dread within. This is your infernal pilgrimage.